Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. We're back again with another pre-market video. And yeah, this pre-market video is going to be good. I'm going to share with y'all the top 2 stocks to be watching for today. And I'm also going to address some of your questions in the comment section of yesterday's video as well. So without further ado, the first stock that we're going to talk about is Tesla. Right here, Tesla. Okay, and for those of y'all who did not miss yesterday's video right here, okay, I talked about Tesla and how I believe that Tesla was ready. The main question of that video was, did you buy Tesla calls? I was hoping for some of y'all to be like, yes, I definitely did buy Tesla calls, but I didn't see none of that in the comments. But hey, if you haven't bought it yet and you're looking at it right now so far, pre-market is looking great. I am not bearish on Tesla at all. I can see this thing flying out the gates as soon as the market opens. And the market is going to open in about 45 minutes. So keep Tesla on your watch list for today. Definitely keep it on your watch list for today. The SPY is is being neutral right now. It's not going anywhere. Yeah, it's kind of like it's just consolidating sideways. So just watch it closely, and you shouldn't be worried until it breaks below this level. Below this level, think about buying puts, but until then, like I'm still bullish on it. I'm still bullish on the overall market as a whole. So SPY looks decent. Tesla looks great right now. So this is the first stock that you should be keeping on your watch list for today. The next stock that I want to talk to all of you about, which I have discussed and my price target have not changed for so long, and that stock is NEO. For those of y'all who are still holding NEO, congratulations. The stock is popping finally, right? The stock is finally going to $25. It's right now at $24. It's so close. It's right there. $25 is like right here. It's not that far away. And like I said, my price target did not change and it's still not changing. So far, so good. The stock looks so great. And yeah, it's finally breaking out. I have no regrets. I'm glad I held this thing. For those of y'all who are still holding it, again, congratulations. It's gonna run a little higher, especially after this upgrade. Apparently, there's an upgrade right here. But yeah, so these are the 2 stocks to definitely keep your eye on for today. Now let's go back to some of y'all's questions. Let me just answer those briefly. WKHS. Let's see WKHS really quick. I did talk about it and how I thought it was gonna go all the way up here, and then it took a turn for the worse. Right there, like literally right here. This giant bar going down on the 15 and especially on the 5. That's not a good sign. And the stock just kept tanking down and tanking down and tanking down. But right now, pre-market, it's look like it's getting some life. So definitely watch this for a break of 24.50. It may make a move back up again, especially if the market picks up. So definitely keep your eyes on this one. I'm not bearish on this yet. I'm actually neutral on it. Like right now, I'm not bearish on there. Like I'm not. So again, keep this one as well on your watch list. It may make a move upwards. That's another one to watch. And another one to watch, mRNA. mRNA, I talked about it yesterday, and it made a huge move. And so far, so good. It looks like it wants to go even higher. So if you're still holding mRNA, congratulations. Those calls should be winning. Definitely, this is a hold for me. I do not see anything wrong with this. It's really a hold for me. So that is for mRNA. Again, if you got value from this video, destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, if you're new, definitely subscribe to the channel. Let's talk about more stocks, right? Let's talk about more stocks. AT&T. Okay. I think it's T. Yeah, okay. I'm not I'm not touching this one. Yeah, I'm not touching this one. I have no clue where this thing is gonna go. So it's going sideways. This is like super boring trading. It's not. I would pay attention to it probably after earnings, and then we need to see something. There's some type of like structure because right now this is just I have no clue where it's gonna go. Therefore, I'm not touching it. That's my opinion on AT&T and BYND. Let's talk about BYND really quick. And BYND so far, it's looking. Let's look on here. It's not looking terrible. It's not looking terrible. It is overextended though. Just keep that in mind that the stock has its move. It had its move up here. It is very overextended. So keep that in mind and be very, very, very scared if it breaks below 183. Like, I would be looking to short this thing if it goes below 183. So be really careful if you haven't taken your gains, especially if you've been in since like this region and you haven't taken your money off the table. You definitely should take something off the table. That's my general opinion on that one. Now let's talk about Roku really quickly. Roku, I made a video about Roku. A lot of y'all made money on it, which is great, and so far it's going up even higher. Do I think it's gonna go higher? I think it may. I think it may. I think it's not done yet. Pre-market is not the best. It's pre-market is not the best, so we'll see what it does. We will definitely see what it does, and a break of 240 may cause the stock to go all the way up to 250. So definitely keep Roku on your watch list as well. And then to conclude this thing, let's talk about Netflix. Yeah, let's talk about Netflix. Okay, so Netflix is up pre-market for some reason, and let's see this thing. Yeah, I'm not shorting this. I'm not shorting this thing. No, I'm definitely not. There's some short sellers over here, obviously, right? The one who haven't covered here, and they're still like hoping for the stock to tank. They're really scared. Just keep in mind that the short sellers here are like really terrified, like really, really, really petrified. So if it goes up higher, like you can see this thing probably hit 675 today even. So just definitely watch this one as well. Okay, definitely watch Netflix. I'm not bearish on Netflix at all. And if you're holding this, like this is still a hold for me. It's a hold for me until like this thing doesn't hold that support anymore. Like if it drops down to 557 and then does something sideways and then does not like shoot up or just crumbles all the way back down to like 550, then maybe it's taking maybe it's ready to like go the other way, and I'll be looking for something bearish in order to buy puts on there. But as of right now, yeah, I'm long bias on this one for sure. Very long bias on it. It's not showing any sign of weakness, so definitely keep this one on your watch list as well. All right, ladies and gentlemen, again, don't forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe and click on the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on these pre-market and post-market videos as well. I will answer more of your questions this afternoon. So if you got any stocks of interest, drop them in the comment section below of the newest video, because that's the one that I always look at, the one that I just made before. That's the one that I talk about. So drop your stocks of interest in the comment section below. Also, if you're a beginner looking to get started in the stock market, there are step-by-step instructions in the description of the video. The first two links are to get signed up with brokers such as Webull and Robinhood. Webull would offer you 2 free stocks if you sign up using the link below, and Robinhood would offer you 1 free stock if you sign up using the link below as well. If you're not following us on Instagram and Twitter, you can find me at Paul Nguma or at Patternology Lab. Once again, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I'm gonna see all of you this afternoon at like 7 p.m. or 6:30. All right. Happy trading.